Hello, welcome to another Cycletech review unboxing. Today we've got a Litelok X1 bike lock. This bike lock is made using a special proprietary composite compound called Barronium that's mixed in to make it angle grinder proof. So let's have a look what's in the box. Nice bit of cardboard packaging, no plastic there. I like that a lot. Made in Britain. I think it's actually made in Wales, so if you're a friend of Wales. It's built with Barronium fused composite armour. This has been tested by the Sold Secure people and has got their diamond rating, which is one of the highest ratings. Barronium is a composite material that's designed by Professor Neil Barron, who is basically the founder of Litelok. He's an engineer and a designer, and he is the guy responsible for this Barronium. Litelok also have an X3, which is the larger brother. Oh, I think it's a weighty beast. You've got the frame mount there. It's like I don't know if you can quite see, but it's got a twisting. When you put it on your bike, you actually twist like in and out of this. I'm not 100% keen on frame mounts for locks because they tend to rattle quite a bit, but hopefully this one won't. There's little sort of Jubilee clip style clips to mount it to your frame. So that's the getting it on your bike. Let's have a look at the lock, and it's a hefty beast. I think if I remember, it's something like 1.7 kilos. Double set of keys there. That was always handy because you know you're going to lose them. I never lose my keys, of course I don't. Again, oh, there you go, you can see Sold Secure motorcycle and bicycle diamond. It's got really good, that's their highest rating. It's the world's lightest, most user-friendly, angle grinder resistant bike lock. So the idea behind the Barronium is that it's I suppose like almost abrasive, so that when your local bike thief comes along with their preferred tool nowadays, which is simply a portable battery driven angle grinder, he can be through most D-locks, most shackle locks easily under a minute, most under 30 seconds, some even less, and be off and away, and no one's going to stop him. The idea behind the X1 and the Barronium is that it's really resistant, and basically I've seen videos where it's taken 3 or 4 discs, so the guy actually has to change the disc out. I mean, and most of these don't want to be messing around changing discs. It just makes them more visible, and hopefully someone will do something. So this is a weighty old beast, let me tell you that. I don't know if you can see there, it's got a little silicone cover over the lock. That's quite a nice little idea. Let's see if we can get the there we go, it's in straight off, and you can, I don't know if you can see, but it's coated all the way around. Sorry about knocking the camera there. With this rubber is actually plant based, and it's recyclable rather than normal sort of petrochemical based plastics, and any waste they put back into the system. Apparently the lock is very resistant to drilling out as well. These white details here, I don't know if that will pick up on the light, probably not, are reflective. So if you're carrying it on your bike or even on your person, they'll pick up on the light. And nice clunk, solid clunk there. Which way? That's the way, yeah. It's, as well as being angle grinder resistant, it's pretty much, I mean, the steel inside, you can hack it, you can whack it, you can bash it. It is not coming off. This is probably one of the most secure locks you're going to get. So there you go, the Litelok X1. Like I say, they do an X3 as well, which is slightly bigger. They do other kinds of locks as well. We'll be trying out. I don't really want to have to start using the angle grinder on it because it is a nice looking bit of kit, but I might do, and if I do, I'll put a link up on our preview and review pages so you can have a look at that. But there you go, that's the Litelok X1. Thanks for looking.